was also a welder and other stuff, so like I know welding
Oh no, don't just stop. Come on. Yeah, sitting there causing fucking sparks on goddamn grass. And this is happening in
Leavenworth, Washington.
Leavenworth, Washington, where there's fires all over the place. And then I don't know what they have that keeps fucking blue lighting every time I talk about it, but it's like they need to quit before they start a fucking fire. Like, I know my camera is fucking shitty, but
No, I used to weld. That's very unprofessional.
that is on grass. My grandfather used to weld too. Even he told me never to weld around grass. It can start a fire. And if you ever catch yourself like around any grass and you have to, lay a piece of sheet metal down up under where you have to weld to where it does not catch anything on fire.